बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ सरगोदा मेन कैंपस में BS, MS, BSc ऑनर, MSc ऑनर, MPhil और PhD सेमेस्टर स्प्रिंग 2025 के एडमिशन स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं। आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि किस किस डिपार्टमेंट के कौन कौन से प्रोग्राम के एडमिशन स्टार्ट हुए हैं, अप्लाई करने की लास्ट डेट कब तक होगी, मेरिट लिस्टें कब लगेंगी और क्लासेस कब से स्टार्ट होंगी। यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ सरगोदा एडमिशन नोटिस स्प्रिंग 2025। Faculty of Sciences, Institute of Chemistry, BS in Biochemistry, BS in Chemistry, 5th semester, MPhil Chemistry with specialization in Biochemistry, Department of Biotechnology, BS in Biotechnology, MPhil Biotechnology, PhD Biotechnology, Department of Botany, BS in Botany, BS in Botany, 5th semester, MPhil Botany, PhD Botany, Department of Earth Sciences, BS in Geology, BS in Geography, BS in Geography 5th semester, MPhil Geography, MS Geology, PhD Geology, BS in Mathematics, BS in Mathematics 5th semester, MPhil Mathematics, PhD Mathematics, Department of Physics, BS in Physics, BS in Physics 5th semester, MPhil Physics, PhD Physics, Department of Statistics, BS in Statistics, BS in Statistics 5th semester, MPhil Statistics, PhD Statistics, Department of Zoology, BS in Zoology, BS in Zoology 5th semester, Faculty of Computing and Information Technology, Department of Computer Science, BS in Computer Science, BS in Artificial Intelligence, Department of Information Technology, BS in Information Technology, BS in Information Technology 5th semester, MS Information Technology, Department of Software Engineering, BS in Software Engineering, MS Software Engineering, Faculty of Social Sciences, Institute of Education, BS in Education, B.Ed Honor Elementary, B.Ed Honor Elementary 5th semester, B.Ed 1.5 year General, MPhil Education, Department of Economics, BS in Economics, BS in Economics 5th semester, MPhil Economics, PhD Economics, Department of History and Pakistan Studies, BS in History 5th semester, BS in Pakistan Studies 5th semester, MPhil History, PhD History, Malak Feroz Khan Known Business School, BBA 4 year, BS in Business Analytics, Executive MBA, MBA 2 year, MS Management Sciences, Department of Politics and International Relations, BS in International Relations, BS in Political Science, BS in International Relations 5th semester, BS in Political Science 5th semester, MPhil Political Science, MPhil International Relations, Department of Psychology, BS in Psychology, BS in Psychology 5th semester, MS Industrial Organization Psychology, PhD Psychology, Department of Social Work, BS in Social Work, BS in Social Work 5th semester, MPhil Social Work, PhD Social Work, Department of Sociology and Criminology, BS in Sociology, BS in Criminology, BS in Sociology 5th semester, MPhil Sociology, PhD Sociology, Faculty of Pharmacy, College of Pharmacy, Form D, MPhil Pharmaceutical Chemistry, MPhil Pharmacology, MPhil Pharmaceutics, PhD Pharmaceutics, PhD Pharmacology, Faculty of Arts and Humanities, Institute of Art and Design, BS in Fine Arts, BS in Interior Design, BS in Graphic Design, BS in Textile Design, BS in Fine Arts 5th semester, Diploma in Painting, Diploma in Fashion Design, Diploma in Interior Design, Department of Arabic Language and Literature, BS in Arabic, BS in Arabic 5th semester, MPhil Arabic, PhD Arabic, Department of Communication and Media Studies, BS in Digital and Social Media, BS in Media and Communication Studies, 5th semester, PhD Media and Communication Studies, Department of English, BS in English Language and Literature, BS in English 5th semester, Department of Islamic Studies, BS in Islamic Studies, BS in Islamic Studies 5th semester, MPhil Islamic Studies, Department of Linguistics and Language Studies, BS in English Language and Linguistics, MPhil English Linguistics, Department of Persian Language and Literature, BS in Persian, BS in Persian 5th semester, MPhil Persian, Department of Punjabi Language, Literature and Culture, BS in Punjabi, Department of Sports Sciences, BS in Physical Education 5th semester, Department of Urdu Language and Literature, BS in Urdu, BS in Urdu 5th semester, MPhil Urdu, PhD Urdu, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Department of Mechanical, Industrial and Energy System, MSc Mechanical Engineering, Department of Electrical, Electronics and Computer System, Bachelor of Engineering and Technology, Electrical, MSc Electrical Engineering, Faculty of Agriculture, College of Agriculture, Department of Agricultural Extension and Rural Studies, BS Development Studies, MSc Honor Agricultural Extension, PhD Agricultural Extension, MS Rural Development, PhD Rural Development, Department of Animal Sciences, MSc Honor Animal Nutrition, Department of Entomology, Postgraduate Diploma in Medical Entomology and Disease Vector Control, MSc Honor Entomology, PhD Entomology, Department of Forestry, BS Forestry, MSc Honor Forestry, PhD Forestry, Department of Horticulture, MSc Honor Horticulture, PhD Horticulture, Department of Plant Breeding and Genetics, MSc Honor Plant Breeding and Genetics, PhD Plant Breeding and Genetics, Department of Plant Pathology, MSc Honor Plant Pathology, PhD Plant Pathology, Department of Soil and Environmental Sciences, MSc Honor Soil Science, PhD Soil Science, an Institute of Food Science and Nutrition, BSc Honor Human Nutrition and Dietetics, BSc Honor Food Science and Technology, MSc Honor Food Science and Technology, PhD Food Science and Technology. Online admission portal shall be active from November 11, 2024. Last date for submission of applications 12 December 2024. Admission schedule. Display of master list for correction December 19, 2024. Display of first merit list regular 23 दिसंबर 2024. सेल स्पोर्ट 7 जनवरी 2025. डिस्प्ले ऑफ सेकंड मेरिट लिस्ट रेगुलर 27 दिसंबर 2024. सेल स्पोर्ट्स 9 जनवरी 2025. डिस्प्ले ऑफ थर्ड मेरिट लिस्ट रेगुलर 2 जनवरी 2025. सेल स्पोर्ट 13 जनवरी 2025. डिस्प्ले ऑफ मेरिट लिस्ट ऑल रिजर्व सीट्स 7 जनवरी 2025. कमेंसमेंट ऑफ क्लासेस रेगुलर 3 फरवरी 2025. सेल स्पोर्ट्स 3 फरवरी 2025. टेस्ट ट्रायल डेट्स. एडमिशन टेस्ट हेड जनरल वेयर एप्लीकेबल 16 दिसंबर 2024. इंटरव्यू फॉर MS MPhil MSc ऑनर MBA 16 दिसंबर 2024. इंटरव्यू फॉर PhD 19 दिसंबर 2024. हिफ्ज़ कुरान टेस्ट 16 to 17 दिसंबर 2024. मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन टेस्ट फॉर स्पेशल कैंडिडेट्स डिसेबल 19 to 20 दिसंबर 2024. फिजिकल एफिशिएंसी टेस्ट फॉर स्पोर्ट्स साइंसेस डिसिप्लिन्स 16 to 17 दिसंबर 2024. को करिकुलर टेस्ट ट्रायल 19 दिसंबर 2024. स्पोर्ट्स ट्रायल 18 to 19 दिसंबर 2024 फॉर मेल, 20 दिसंबर 2024 फॉर फीमेल.